Hello Brownsburg, today is Monday, October 27th. I'm Emily Ridgway.
And I'm Isaiah O'Neill, and here's your today's announcements.
The Robotics Club and the Super Mileage Club will meet tomorrow, Tuesday, October 28th in room D108. The meeting time is from 3 to 4:30. Please see Mrs. Floyd if you have any questions.
Wrestling Open Match will take place Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday this week at 3:20 p.m. This wrestling gym trials for the wrestling team begin on Monday, November 3rd. Everyone planning to wrestle this season must see Coach Snyder this week to get a practice pack order form. Swing by room U22 for each Coach Snyder during A or C lunch in the cafeteria.
Congrats to the marching band as they had a very successful fall break. The group received a gold rating at the ISMA A Open Class competition with distinction awards in music, visual, and effect. The marching band also competed at the ISMA A Open Class Regional Competition and received a gold rating. The group will continue the march to state finals by competing this Saturday at the semi-state competition at Ben Davis High School at 1:52 p.m. All are encouraged to come out and support the sound of Brownsburg.
On October 10th, the varsity football team lost in a heartbreaking fashion in Noblesville. The Millers converted a two-point conversion in overtime the edge of the Bulldogs, 36-35. Hunter Johnson completed 14 passes for 205 yards and 3 touchdowns. Tokes Akamabadi ran for 144 yards and 2 touchdowns. Vincent Lisman, Tyler Kurtz, and Michael Clare all had receiving touchdowns in that game.
On October 17th, the varsity football team struggled on both sides of the ball and lost to Hamilton Southeastern.
The varsity football team ended the 2014 season of the road to Avon last Friday night with a 41-10 loss in the sectionals. Jose Hacker drilled his 6th field goal of the season, and Tokes Akamabadi scored a touchdown and rushed for over 200 yards to highlight the night of the Dogs. The team would like to thank the loyal following of fans for the continued support and encouragement throughout the season. Also, a special thanks goes to the senior class for 4 years of commitment of the football program.
On Monday, October 13th, the freshman football team improved their record to 5-3 with a big win over Noblesville 45-14. Nice job, guys.
On October 11th, the varsity volleyball team won the Clinton Perry Invitational, bringing their season record to 22-6. The Dogs defeated Crown Clinton Perry and Provence on their way to claiming the championship.
On October 13th, the varsity volleyball team improved to 23-6 with a 3-0 win over Western Boone. Avery Brown led the offense with 13 kills, Allie Byers had 36 assists, and Bailey Rourke had 8 digs.
The varsity volleyball team continued their winning streak and improvement to 24-6 on the season when they defeated Morrisville on October 15th. Avery Brown had 7 kills, followed by Brooke Gregory and Kayla Knox and 6 each. Allie Broders had 32 assists and Riley Cokerly had 14 digs.
The varsity volleyball team concluded their regular season with a 3-0 victory over Speedway on October 16th. The Volley Dogs finished with a 25-6 record and ranked 9th in the final poll. Avery Brown had 16 kills in the match, and Brooke Gregory had 14 kills. Allie Byers had 42 assists, and Riley Cookerly had 18 digs.
Last Thursday, the varsity volleyball team opened sectional play and taking on Terre Haute South. The Dogs won in the 4 sets in advance of the sectional semifinals against Avon. On Saturday, Avon ended the volleyball season with a 3-set victory. Congrats to all the ladies on a terrific 2014 season.
The JV volleyball team also competed several times over fall break. On October 11th, the ladies dropped a 3-set match to Avon and a 2-set match to Northview. On October 13th, they bounced back with a 3-set victory over Western Boone, and on October 15th, they crushed Morrisville in 2 sets. The JV Volley Dogs finished their season on a high note with a 2-set victory over Speedway on October 16th. Nice job, ladies, and congrats on a great season.
The freshman volleyball team also concluded their season over fall break with a straight set victory over Westfield 25-17 and 25-12. It was a completed team victory and every dog contributed.
The girls cross country team placed 3rd out of 12 teams in sectionals over fall break. 3 Bulldog runners placed in the top 10, led by Julia Poppenfusen 5th overall. Cassidy Brown and Sydney Montgomery finished 8th and 9th. Brooke Urin, Emily Truix, Laura Sanders, and Olivia Zug rounded out the Bulldog runners. Their 3rd place finish earned them a spot in the Ben Davis Regional.
In regional action, October 18th, senior Julia Popovus had the best day of her career and finished just 3 seconds off the all-time score record. She is just the 5th runner in the school history to run 3.1 miles in under 19 minutes. Cassidy Brown and Sydney Montgomery were again the 2nd and 3rd Bulldog finishers, with Olivia Zoom and Rachel Graham rounding out the Bulldogs' top 5. The ladies' great effort earned them a spot in the semi-state.
Last Saturday at Carmel, the ladies' team season ended with the 13th place finish at semi-state. Congratulations to the entire team on a fantastic season and on all of their accomplishments. With a top 10 finish, senior Julia Popovus qualified as an individual runner in the state finals this Saturday at Terre Haute. Congratulations and good luck this weekend to Julia.
The boys cross country team had their best performance of the year and claimed the sectional championship on October 11th. Ari Simpson was an individual sectional champion, followed shortly by Mark Bond and Seth Webster in 3rd and 4th places. Eli Wagner and Marcus Ferrick both earned top 14 finishes.
On October 18th, the boys cross country team placed 4th in regionals, which was good enough to advance them to semi-state for the 6th year in a row. Hari Sathya Murphy once again finished 1st, and Mark Bond had a great performance finishing in 8th.
Last Saturday, the team ended their season finishing the 10th out of 20 teams in semi-state competition. Ari Simpson left the Bulldogs with a 13th place finish and qualified for the first state finals next week. Congrats to the seniors for the 4 great cross-country years.
That's all for today, VHS. Thanks for watching.
See you on Wednesday.